let's divide your day in 3 parts. First is revision of basics. Second is sectional practice. And third is mock and analysis. Hey guys, I am Chia, your CLAT mentor, and today we are going to make the perfect schedule from now to CLAT 2024. Take a pen and notebook and start taking notes because this is going to be extremely important. So the first thing in the morning that you do should be revising your basics. For CR, it should only take you 10 minutes if you have followed the video and you have made a flow chart of it. It should only take 7 minutes for you to revise English if you have watched this video and had made a flowchart. You only need to revise these for CR and for English. Take a screenshot. Revise your legal basics, which will include constitution, contract, tort and crime, but will also include extremely important topic, that is family law. For very important topics for legal reasoning, you need to scan this. And you can make notes and revise them too. You will only need 20 minutes to revise your legal, but you will need 10 minutes and only 10 minutes to revise your quants. You should always revise QT formulas for these very important topics. Now, the only subject that I have not talked about for revision is GK. But first we need to understand what do we revise in GK. You need to revise GK month-wise, but from later to earlier. That is approximately from October to January. So for example, you start a revision from the 20th. So on 20th, you are going to revise, for example, October. And on 21st, you're going to revise September. For 22nd, you're going to revise August. So that's how you have to go from October to January. These are some very, very important topics that you need to revise without fail. Where to revise from? From your notes and from any monthly compendium, from any good coaching for CLAT. The second part of your day is sectional practice. When to do sectional practice? So basically on MWF, you do legal and quant. On TTS, you do CR and English. For legal and quant, I want to tell you that you need to practice 50 questions of legal and 12 questions for quant every MWF. And for CR and English, 24 questions every TTS. Now you must be thinking what to do with GK. So for GK, you only have to study 2 hours if you don't have any backlogs. But if you have backlogs, you have to study at least 4 hours of GK every day from now on. The last part of your day will be either giving mocks or taking analysis. So how do you do this and when do you do this? So on Wednesday, Friday and Sunday, you have to give mocks. But on Thursday, Saturday and Monday, you have to do your analysis. When you're giving mocks, this is going to be very, very important for you from now on because you need to understand how different coachings give you different kind of mocks and how you are able to go with it. So for example, you are doing X coaching's mocks on Wednesday and Sunday, then you can take a Y coaching mock on Friday and vice versa for the next week. As the time you yield versatility, you need to take 3 different coaching mocks every week from now on. This will help you improve your mock scores drastically. All the best, guys. Your CLAT 2024 is going to be flawless. Just keep your hopes high.